Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Know. This is Srikam. So today in this video, let's see the step-by-step online registration process for Accenture Off Campus Drive 2021. Okay, go to Google and search for Accenture Off Campus 2021 Freshers Know. Okay, open the first website and it will drive you to this page and just scroll down, and if you see here, we have some details. Experience. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for this. You don't need any kind of experience. And the next thing is qualification. So the qualification which you should have to apply for this is BE or B.Tech. Okay, the year of passing should be 2021. And the role which you will get if you qualify this is Associate Software Engineer. Let's scroll on and see how to register in this. So click the link over here and it will drive you to this page. Okay, so registration form. Please review these do's and don'ts before proceeding. So before submitting your details, let's see the do's and don'ts. Okay, here we have the name, first name, middle name, last name should have 2 or more characters. At least one name should match with your PAN card. So here you have to fill your first name, middle name and last name, and each box should have 2 or more characters. Okay, and the next thing which you have to remember is your one name should match with your PAN card. Okay, let's scroll on and see the passport size photo. And if you see here, passport photo should be bright, clear and should have only one face. So if you see here, the last one, it is not having proper clarity and it is having different background. And if you see here, 2 people are taking the photo, you should not upload these kind of photos. And if you see here, he is wearing goggles, so the background is very bad. Okay, so the main thing which you have to remember is your background should be plain. Okay, like this, the first photo. Okay, if you see the first photo, so the background is plain. So like this, you have to upload your passport size photo. Okay, let's scroll on and see this government ID card. So upload the full image of your government ID card. So you have to upload your full image of your government ID card like this, the first picture. So the next thing is do not upload a copy with surrounding background like this. Okay, do not upload a poor quality photocopy. So your photo should have a good quality. And the next thing is do not upload a copy with the glare of camera flash. So you should not upload a photo which is having flash on it. And the next thing is please make sure to crop and upload only the PAN card image if you have an e-PAN card. Okay, these are the details which you have to remember while submitting your details. Okay, let's click I am not a robot. Click the next button and it will drive you to this page. Okay, here you have to fill all your details. Okay, before that, let's see the job description for this. Click, and if you see here, the job description is Associate Software Engineer, that is ASE. The overview is join our team that is developing, designing and maintaining technologies that improve the way our clients and the world works. So here is just a general overview for this job role. And the next thing is what would you do? So what is your work over there? Let's see. Design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application using business requirements, understanding business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations. Next thing is what we need. So what would you need? Just see. Ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, multiple disciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster. So these are the qualities which you should have as an associate software engineer. Okay, close it and let's scroll down, and if you see here, source details. So how did you find out about this job? So where did you find out this job? Through employee referral or through social media advertisement. Okay, just select either one. The next thing is social media advertisement. Okay, where did you see? Twitter or LinkedIn or Facebook or others? Just click wherever you see that. Okay, next thing is personal details. Here we have to fill our personal details over here. Our first name, middle name and our last name. Okay, and the next thing is university registration number. Registration number is nothing but your hall ticket number. You have to upload your hall ticket number over here. Okay, the next thing is your email ID. You have to fill your email ID over here. And the next thing is mobile number. So you have to provide your mobile number over here. Enter your personal contact number, which will be used for all future notifications. No changes will be permitted post submission. So after submission of this application, you cannot change your details over here. Okay. And the next thing is your alternative mobile number. So you have to provide your alternate mobile number if you have. The next thing is date of birth. You have to fill your date of birth over here. So you have to fill your date of birth over here. And the next thing is gender, male or female. And the next thing is educational details. So now you have to fill your educational details over here. Okay, highest education profile. So it may be undergraduate or postgraduate. So you have to select either one which you fall under. Okay, I am selecting this undergraduate. And degree, it may be BE, Bachelor of Engineering, or B.Tech, Bachelor of Technology. Okay, and the next thing is your college name. So here in this Accenture Off Campus Drive 2021, they have provided only few colleges. If you fall under any one of this list, you can select. So the next thing is branch. Which branch you fall under? Select any one. And the next thing is year of passing. So you have to select year of passing. We have only one option, that is 2021. You have to select this one. And the next thing is percentage or CGPA. CGPA or percentage. You can select either one. And the next thing is, if it is percentage, you have to give your percentage over here. Or if it is CGPA, you have to provide your CGPA. Okay. Let's scroll on, and if you see the other details, gap in education. So do you have any gap in your education? Just select more than one academic year, or no gap, less than one academic year, or one academic year. If there is any gap more than 1 year, you can select first one. If there is 1 year gap, you can select third one. Okay. If there is no one, just select second one. Have you worked in Accenture before? Full time only. And the next thing is standing backlog. So if you have any backlog, yes or no, just click it. Have you applied for any role at Accenture in the last 6 months? Do not consider current registration process. Just click yes or no. Are you an Indian citizen? Indian or non-Indian? You have to select either one. If you are from India, you can select India, or if you are from other countries, you have to select non-Indian. Next thing is preferred location. So first priority for you, it may be Chennai, Mumbai, Gurugram, or Pune. Okay, it will ask you 3 preferred locations. Okay, and after that it will ask you to attach your CV, passport size photo, and the last one is college ID card. Okay, the next section is government photo ID card. So it will ask you, do you have any PAN card or not? If you have your PAN card, you have to enter your PAN card number. Or if you don't have any PAN card, just click no, and there is no need to fill your PAN card number. Okay, and the next thing is government ID type. So you have to select either one. It may be voter ID, driving license, or passport. Upload a copy of your selected government ID card. We will use the same card for your onboarding process too. The ID card once uploaded cannot be changed. So please ensure to upload the correct card. So you have to upload the correct card with good clarity. Just scroll down and it will ask you some declaration and consent. So if it is yes for you, just click yes, or no, just click no. And the next thing is I agree. You have to click I agree. Before clicking I agree, just read each and every detail. Okay. And after filling all the details, you have to click I am not a robot and click submit. Okay. Further updates will be provided for you through your registered email ID. Okay. Here is the good news for all the people who want to crack Accenture Off Campus Drive 2021. That is, Freshers Now is providing free mock tests. So go to Google and search for mocktest.freshersnow.com. Okay, it will drive you to this page. So here you have to log in. If you didn't register before, just create an account and register yourself. Okay, here we have all examination tab. Just click that one. And in the last we have IT software. Click that one. And here we have Accenture mock tests. So click that one. So here are the mock tests for Accenture. Okay. So grab the opportunity and utilize wisely these opportunities. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now. Thank you. Have a great day.